Today is another milestone for Wheeltek group of companies. Today we will be awarding the Philippine Looper of Wheeltek and the launching of the special edition helmet, Suomy helmet.
Sincerest gratitude for choosing Suomy Helmets Philippines for this exclusive collaboration. This is the first and only in the world for Suomy. Hindi na po makulit ito. Hindi na po mauulit ito.
Today, we celebrate more than just a new helmet. We celebrate the 5 incredible decades of passion, performance, and partnerships. This limited edition helmet is not only a symbol of protection and innovation, but it's a tribute also to my parents' achievements in the industry. The victories also that we have shared, and the future we continue to build together. Faster, bolder, and stronger. So to all of our partners, families, friends, riders, and loyal customers, thank you for being part of the Wheeltek story. Here's to the Wheeltek 50 years and patungo sa isang daan.